Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IS. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 5th December 2020. So let us see which are the important articles in today's The Hindu newspaper. Yes, these are the articles for mains purpose and for prelims purpose. Let us see one by one and take input for our examination. First article on page number 6, editorial page. Yes, the context of the article, again the farm protest. We have been discussing this article for quite a time now, and yes, the same type of arguments are given in the article, but yes, it is important to understand again some important let's say follow up points of follow up. Like recently the farmers representatives have met with the government, and what kind of, let's say, changes in those farm laws the government has offered to the farmers in those discussions. And let us let's say understand some important statements given in this article. So yes, the Samyukta Kisan Morcha, the federation of 500 farmers organization, so this together is pressing or acting as a pressure group here, and to bring the changes in the laws that has been, let's say, created by the government. And therefore let us try to understand what are the issues here. So the fear that the new regime will dismantle the system of procurement under MSP and leave the farmers at the mercy of corporations is real. Okay, so yes, the government, what the government has offered recently in the talks, responding to the concerns of the farmers, the center has suggested safeguards to prevent land alienation via contract farming, then strengthening state-run mandi system and ensuring its equal footing with private buyers through equalizing taxes. This is also one of the, let's say, safeguard, allowing grievance redress in civil court rather than just in the offices of subdivisional magistrate, and ensuring proper verification of private traders. So these are the safeguards to be provided, so that or the provisions to the law, so that the farmers will not be, let's say, have any kind of harassment, or we can say the unequal treatment by the private players. It has not, however, offered legal guarantee of MSP, and question of power subsidies also remains contentious. तो ये दो issues पे अभी भी farmers को concern है, right? So the Narendra Modi government has declared the policy of ensuring farm prices that are at least 50% more than the input cost. However, this has remained more an intent than the reality. And the discussion has also been muddled by the government's refusal to include rental value of land in input cost. So this has been important aspect, though the government has, let's say, intention to implement that policy of farm prices that are at least 50% more than the input cost, the MSP declaration, the CACP formula, and we can say Subramaniam committee, sorry, not Subramaniam, Swaminathan committee and its recommendation. Very important when we talk about this agriculture sector. Agriculture has to remain environmentally sustainable and remunerative for the farmers. Use this statement in your answer. There is a strong case for reworking the incentive structures and cropping pattern in order to account for changes in the water availability and changing dietary requirements. Now this is the long term aspect that the government needs to focus. Changes in the land acquisition laws and the general thrust towards industrialization, together with the pressure on agriculture subsidies, has increased the feeling of vulnerability of farmers in recent years. So we can say that these are the contemporary challenges faced by the agriculture sector, and the fear of, let's say, land alienation, and at the same time the more thrust on the industrialization and less on the agriculture by the present government, that has been, let's say, creating fear, or let's say the farmers are feeling vulnerable because of these changes. Food security is considered as the component of national security by all countries. You can use this statement also, very good statement. And in conclusion, the center must strive for reaching an agreement with the farmers that addresses their concerns. Yes, ultimately the government should address their concerns. So still the farmers are seeking the complete repeal of all three laws, and there is no let's say peace brokered yet, the farmers are still, we can say, adamant to repeal those law, and the government is also not, let's say, providing any relief to the farmers concerned. Fine. Okay, so we'll have follow up in the next talks between these government and the farmers representative in future. Okay, so China turns on artificial intelligence, artificial sun, not artificial intelligence. China successfully powered up its artificial sun nuclear fusion reactor. Now this is very important development in terms of having a clean energy source. Now this has been in news for quite a time now. Artificial sun developed by China. The name of the reactor is HL2M tokamak. Okay, tokamak reactor. So generally what happens is, in nuclear power plant there is nuclear fission reaction, controlled fission reaction. In our nuclear power plants or nuclear reactors. However, here in artificial sun, the nuclear reaction is fusion reaction as happens on the surface of the sun. That's why it is called as artificial sun. Okay. On the surface of sun, what happens is hydrogen and hydrogen fuse with each other to form helium atoms. Okay. तो वहाँ पे जो फ्यूजन रिएक्शन होता है, तो वो सेम काइंड ऑफ फ्यूजन रिएक्शन हैज बीन डन इन दिस Tokamak reactor, China's largest and most advanced nuclear fusion experimental research device. Okay, so that's why it is different. It is located in Sichuan province and completed late last year. The reactor is often called artificial sun on account of enormous heat and power it produces. Okay, so you need to know that the fusion reaction is happening here, nuclear fusion, and at the same time huge amount of, let's say, heat is created, temperature of over 150 million degrees Celsius, 10 times hotter than the sun. Okay, so this information is important for prelims examination. Tokamak reactor, fusion reaction. Fine. Then next, majority of ICC members should not be from same department. Here ICC means Internal Complaints Committee, that has to be established in every organization under Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention Prohibition Redressal Act 2013. So under this act, the organization which is having substantial let's say number of employees, उनको वहाँ पे वो ICC establish करना पड़ता है as an internal mechanism to address to any kind of complaint, sexual harassment complaint by the women in the organization. So Internal Complaints Committee, here the Delhi High Court was listening to or entertaining one complaint that the government department, the members preferably should not be from same ministry or department. Why? Because if that happens, then if the complaint is towards, or let's say not towards, against any higher official, and suppose the members are also from the same department, and they will have some kind of biased judgment in that case, and therefore they should not be from the same department, right? So who have the persons who have served under high rank officers or in the same department may face difficulty in treating the complaint in the unbiased manner, and that's why the court said that they should not be from the same ministry or department. ICC, if the ICC consists of members who are from the same department or ministry, there is every possibility of them being required to entertain and decide allegations against their own superior officer who may be able to exercise influence on them. So somehow it will not be a fair let's say investigation or fair judgment from the ICC, and therefore that's why it is said that majority of the members should not be from same ministry and department. This is basically talking about from the government itself. Okay, so government का अगर department या ministry होता है तो उसमें जो ICC होगा उसके member जो है वो same नहीं होने चाहिए, sorry, मेजॉरिटी जो है वो सेम डिपार्टमेंट से नहीं होनी चाहिए, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट जजमेंट. सो दिस बिकम्स इम्पॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम GS2 perspective and GS4 also, ethics. There can be a case study wherein workplace harassment, यूपीएससी ने पहले भी ये केस स्टडी पूछा हुआ है in ethics paper, and therefore you need to mention this ICC, Internal Complaints Committee. Some technicalities are very important while writing answers, and you need to know about this law, Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013, and under this one important, let's say again in this terms, is Vishakha guidelines given by Supreme Court. So Supreme Court has given these Vishakha guidelines regarding sexual harassment of women at workplace, and from that the government has passed this law. Fine. Next comes Dhaka ships Rohingya to low-lying island. So yes, this has been again for quite a time in news. भाषण 4 आइलैंड, तो रोहिंग्या रिफ्यूजीज जो बांग्लादेश में आते हैं, सो Bangladesh wants to move this 1 lakh refugees, Rohingya refugees, to Bhashan Char island. Now from let's say geography or mapping perspective, you need to know where the location of this Bhashan Char island. So this island was formed in 2006. This is newly formed island from the Himalayan silt. So this Brahmaputra and Ganga river system, it brings huge amount of silt with it, and it deposits it in its delta. तो डेल्टा पे क्या होता है कि वहाँ पे नए आइलैंड्स तैयार होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सिल्ट, बिकॉज ऑफ डिपोजिशन ऑफ दोज सेडिमेंट्स, राइट. सो बेसिकली दीज आइलैंड्स आर फॉर्म बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सेडिमेंट्स. दिस इज द भाषण 4 आइलैंड. Okay, and the Cox's Bazar location here, it is very famous because most of the refugees are located in that Cox's Bazar in the Bangladesh. You can see here they are fleeing from the Myanmar like this and then entering Bangladesh like Chittagong location here. So from this Cox's Bazar, most of the refugees are to be let's say rehabilitated, relocated on this Bhashan Char island. वहाँ पे बिल्डिंग्स और जो सेटलमेंट्स के लिए वहाँ पे वो ये करने वाले हैं बांग्लादेश. एट द सेम टाइम दिस हैज़ बीन क्रिटिसाइज थ्रू आउट द लेट्स से वर्ल्ड. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस इज लो लाइंग आइलैंड एंड लेट्स से एनी इवेंट ऑफ स्टॉर्म सर्ज और लेट्स से in future the sea level rise, all these things are going to happen, and that makes that population very vulnerable to national disasters or let's say natural disasters. Fine. So that's why it is also named as Char Pia or called as Char Pia. ठीक है, तो भाषण 4 island belongs to Bangladesh. So such kind of question can be asked in prelims. You need to know exactly भाषण 4 island sometimes in news is a part of which of the following countries. So answer is Bangladesh. It can be also framed as like भाषण 4 island sometimes in news for which of the following purpose or reason. तो वहाँ पे आपको पता होना चाहिए कि दैट रोहिंग्या रिफ्यूजीज बीइंग रीलोकेटेड ऑन दैट आइलैंड बाय द बांग्लादेश. ओके, नेक्स्ट, यस, गुड न्यूज फ्रॉम प्राइम मिनिस्टर. Yes, vaccine may be ready in few weeks, Mr. Modi, and he also said that as soon as scientists give green light to the vaccine, the distribution will start. The government had set up national experts group of scientists, central and state government officials for mapping the vaccination program, which would likely to take advantage of India's large and experienced vaccination network of universal immunization program. At the same time, he said that the frontline health workers and those with comorbidities would be first in line for the vaccine. Pricing of the vaccine would be according to the imperatives of public health and in consultation with state government. So surely it will not be free of cost. ठीक है, तो ये हमें अभी समझ में आना है कि pricing of the vaccine would be according to the imperatives of the public health and the consultation with state government. So yet the government has not clearly said that it will be free of cost. Fine. So yes, some important captions and quotations from the first article that we discussed. So this can be used in GS3 paper, or even if there is essay on farm or agriculture sector, you can use this. Food security, component of national security for all countries, and environmentally sustainable agriculture and remunerative for the farmers. These two important aspects. Fine. So yes, these were important topics or articles from today's The Hindu newspaper. For further information on editorial discussion classes or ED classes, wherein in-depth analysis of mains related issues and articles is done by Ansari sir and team, you can contact Lukman IAS. Thank you.